There was a lot at stake today, Tim. Cambrian reaching the last four for the first time in their history. What's the feeling in the dressing room?
Yeah, class. Yeah, that was quality to be in there. Best moment of the season by far. I think in the league now, we're fourth or fifth. I think next year with the playoffs coming in, it will help because we've got something to play for. But the league sort of drifts out now, so we want to make sure that when we get a chance in the cup, we sort of take it, and obviously we've done that today.
It's obviously a great achievement. I thought the boys deserved it today. Excellent from the word go. And I'd say that really deserved in the end.
Rodri Thomas, is-hyfforddwr Caerfyrddin, canlyniad siomedig, oedd e ddim I fod heddi?
Na, siomedig iawn, o'n i'n gobeithio byddwn ni'n well heddi. Paratoadau diwrnod dda yn ystod wythnos, a y bechgyn lan amdani cyn y gêm, ond anffodus. Dwi'n credu oedd Cambrian ychydig yn well ni ar y diwrnod, felly siomedig gyda'r cynlyniad wrth gwrs yn yr ymdrech yn arbennig y bechgyn, chwarae teg.
It's quite a cagey 45 minutes. We played them a few weeks ago, only just come out winners there on top, so we knew it was going to be tricky. Even at 3-0, it was always going to be a bit shaky, but I like to think, at 3-0 we got the job done.
And through to the last four now. Who would you like to play in the semi-final?
I'm not sure. Like you say, any team you have now is obviously going to be a difficult game, isn't it? So obviously only good teams left. So like I say, just looking forward to whichever test is put in front of us.
Rodri, wel, allan o'r cwpan, felly cyfle i ganolbwyntio ar y gyngrair. Beth fydd y nod nawr i'r hen air?
Jyst wneud y gorau ni'n gallu yn amlwg ni ddim yn agos i fod ar y brig, ond gobeithio byddwn ni'n gallu gorffen yn gryf, dechrau gyda y ffynon taf nos Wener, felly mae'n gêm bwysig i ni frwydro nôl ar ôl y perfformiad heddi neu'r coller heddi, felly hwnna'r peth cyntaf ni'n ffocysu ar nos Fawrth yn yr ymarfer, a wedyn gobeithio gorffen mor gryf a phosib a nelu orffen os ni'n gallu'n drydydd safle, dyna'r beth yw'r gobeith.